Hey guys, Silver Fox here. Welcome to my first Silver Fox computer screen capture. Hey, I've been finagling how to do this, and I thought I would give you a better report if the screen wasn't plainly on my face and you could see some things. And it feels kind of weird talking to a computer and not having a camera straight in my face and talking to it and thinking and going and uhs. But I think this will be good for both of us because I'm a very visual person and I can talk based off of visual things. And you can see things in real time and what I'm talking about. And so I think everybody will be happy that way. I am sparing you the expense of hearing some grainy, cheap JVC earbuds with a microphone on it that plug into my computer. And there's a bunch of pay for screen capturing services, but I figured out if you do the Windows G button, you can live screen capture as if you were gaming, and it saves to a folder, and then I upload on YouTube. So that's cool. It's free. But if you really like this content, like, share, subscribe, and maybe we can upgrade this outfit into a better microphone, better screen capturing software, StreamYard, the whole 9 yards. I would show you my face right now, but I'm not exactly sure how to do that. So maybe I need to pay for something or somebody can tell me how to. But that's what we're running for right now. So let's get on business. As everybody knows, the only place you can encapsulate your 2023 Peace Director Strike COA is PCGS or at pcgs.com/pop. And down in the search bar here, we're just going to put 2023 Peace Dollar Director. And look at there. We got Peace Dollar Director Strike, first strike. So let's see how many we got. And it's also July 31st, just so everybody knows. And we have a total of 1, and it's in a MS-70. Ain't that cool? So somebody's already been able to get a 70 on board, which is awesome. Congratulations to whoever it is. And I'm sure there'll be more out there. So who knows how much this is going to get, if they're going to sell it or keep it, who knows. But I can tell you that in a previous auction yesterday, or it was either this morning, I think it was this morning, it was around $2,800 on eBay. So I'll be doing a video on that as well. But pretty insane news. Somebody's already got that director strike, and I'm sure it's going to be a bunch of money. If I had to guess, if encapsulated COA's director strike are going to be $3,000 almost, I'll say my guesstimate is maybe 10 times that, so 30 grand. I don't know. We'll see if we can get one that sells, and then we'll put the price down. But just so everybody should know, there's actually one out there right now, and we'll see if more pop up. But for right now, July 31st, there's one out there, MS-70. So I hope everybody's having a good day. Start of the weekend. We'll talk to you soon. See y'all.